So, what I learned in Educ 105 and how will I apply those learnings as a future educator. So, before I go to the very point of the question, I just want to say that this subject is one of the best subject I really love. I am not saying this, of course, just to get married from Mom in Cabo, but um, it's just the way how I feel in the subject, and um, I really felt comfortable. And even if I'm not that kind of a person, which is really good in academics, but it's just that way that I love the subject. I learned so much in the subject, and as I remember in the discussion about the socio-cultural learning theory, where Sandra claimed and said that those experts are better than the novices or the novice. So in this topic or lessons, I have learned the differences between the novices and the experts. That, as I understand, um, experts are more knowledgeable and organized. They are they can easily adapt things, while the uh, novices are not. No, they are not organized. They cannot easily adapt or understand things, especially those things that needs a deeper understanding. So as a future educator, I know it will help me know my students, where could I easily identify those passive and those fast learners, or those um, students who are good enough in the class. And maybe in the future, if I will encounter situations wherein I need to apply those learnings or this kind of learnings, um, um, like helping a student who got a low grade, or those students who are not participating in the class. So I think my first step is that I will talk to him or her, and then I will give some task or assignment to help them understand, and they can review those lessons, those topic where it is hard for them. And maybe I will give them some additional references, like videos in the YouTube or in the internet site, where they could also understand, or it will help them understand well about the lessons. So I will find I will try to give an additional references to help them. And then maybe if and of course I will follow up them and ask them if they really watch it, and if they really understand about it. And then if their answer is no, or not really, maybe it is the time to call for the attention of their parents, for the help of their parents, to help them, or their guardians. And aside from that, in the classroom setting, maybe the good idea is the peer tutoring, where other students help will help those students who get a low grade, or those who are not participating well, or did not understand the lesson. And maybe the collaboration, where students are divided into groups. No, I will mix the those fast learners, those average, and those passive students, so that no one will leave behind. um, and I think it's a good idea also. And of course, I didn't want to make a group like group 1 is male and group 2 is female, because it's already an discrimination. Um, and I think it is helpful for them. And I think it is also important to we as an educator to evaluate ourselves, if we really are effective and efficient in the subject that we handled or in the class. So that's it. And I'm thankful for the subject, and I thank you, Ma'am Incavo, for this for the all the learnings that I learned from the subject. I'm grateful for the subject. Thank you.